Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say thank you for coming in my presentation. My name is Nunu Nurhayati, and my team research is Anggar Titis Prayitno and Azin Taufik. In this opportunity, I would like to presentation our research about the analysis of student algebraic reasoning abilities in reflective and impulsive cognitive style. Introduction in this study is in learning mathematics, there are 5 basic abilities which are standard mathematical abilities, namely problem solving, reasoning and proof, communication, connection, and representation. The 5 basic skills described by NCTM must be mastered by students so that their learning will be more meaningful. One of them is reasoning ability. Mathematical reasoning ability is about reasoning and by mathematical object need to draw conclusion or make a new statement that is true based on several statements which has been proven true or assumed previously. There are many kinds of mathematical reasoning ability. One of them is algebraic reasoning ability. Algebra is a branch of mathematics that study the concept or principle of simplification and problem solving through certain symbols or letters. The ability to make reason about good algebra will minimize the difficulties experienced by students related to symbols, which is difficult to understand. One of the causes of these difficulties is the understanding of symbols, variables, which are in algebraic material. The low list of percentage of Indonesian students' ability was algebraic reasoning ability. The result in the reasoning domain of 17% and in the algebraic domain of 22%, which is the lowest result among the 4 domains. Then the latest result from teams in 215 shows that student mathematical reasoning abilities were still low. Based on the result of preliminary study and observation by researchers, there are still many students who have not been able to solve algebraic reasoning problem. The process of algebraic reasoning in problem solving need to get the attention of teacher and lecturer to help students develop algebraic reasoning abilities. So, this study aims to describe the algebraic reasoning ability of high school students in reflective and impulsive cognitive style. The methodology in this study is case study under qualitative descriptive research, and the data collecting technique is cluster sampling and purposive sampling. The research subject were 4 students with category 2 reflective subject and 2 impulsive subject. Instrument in this research is cognitive style test, MFFT, algebraic reasoning test, interview test, and observation. The data analysis technique were in the form of the data reduction, data presentation, and drawing conclusion. The triangulation technique has done by combining observation, interview, and documentation. Result and discussion. The result answer to question reflective subject and impulsive subject. In general, reflective subject solves problem by writing down, knowing, and asking information. making example and general equation, and solving problems to elimination or substitution methods. The result of the description and analysis of reflective subjects so that meets all indicator of the level of algebraic reasoning for question 3, but does not meet the indicator of algebraic reasoning level 6 in question 1 and 2. The result of the description and analysis of impulsive subjects so that meets all indicator of the level of algebraic reasoning for question 1 and 3, but does not meet the indicator of algebraic reasoning at level 6 for question 2. The analyze algebraic reasoning abilities so that the reflective subject has been able to meet the indicator at level 6 of algebraic reasoning. The thinking process of reflective student to think first before answering question during interview, and when they do the test, they try repeatedly on the scribble sheet and immediately write the result on the answer sheet. While impulsive subject has not been able to meet the indicator of level 6 algebraic reasoning in full. This is because the impulsive subject has not fully used the distributive property of algebraic multiplication in the process of solving 3 problems. The thought process of impulsive subject to respond quickly to question given during interview and write down all the ideas that are in their mind during the test process. According to Fitri et al., the thinking ability of reflective subject is better than impulsive subject. Those who reflective subject were better at solving the 3 questions given compared to impulsive subject, although there are some error results. Conclusion, based on result of the analysis of student algebraic reasoning abilities in impulsive reflective cognitive style, reflective subjects were able to meet the indicator at level 6, meanwhile the impulsive subject has not been able to meet the indicator of level 6 algebraic reasoning, which is replacing numeric numbers with parameters, performing algebraic operation on 2 parameters, and knowing the special nature of algebraic operation. This study has limitation due to the COVID-19 pandemic, including the limited number of participants and the difficulty of collecting participants for the research process. Maybe this is my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.